All right, so hello and welcome. I just found something very interesting here on ChatGPT and I want to share this with you. Kindly follow through. All right, so I was already on a conversation with ChatGPT, but then I switched into this particular conversation I want to share with you. So if you can see here, I just asked ChatGPT, what can you say about a brand called Heritage GFX Solutions? Now, here's the response ChatGPT gave me. Here's the sample brand description, blah, 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 tailored to sound professional creatively, especially if you're a graphic design, if it's a graphic design or digital brand. Now, let me just show you. You can see this. ChatGPT went to the extent of giving me a full detail of what this brand is, even without pure details of the brand. It just went to give me exact information about this brand. All right, so let's continue scrolling. Now, ChatGPT asked me if I would like to adjust this based on my niche or service. Then I went ahead to choose branding. Yes. And this is what ChatGPT did that got me more interested most. Now, it came again and told me this is a refined version of the brand description. Now, here's what ChatGPT did. Heritage GFS Solution is a branding focused creative agency that helps businesses build powerful visual identity. And this is very interesting. This is the most interesting part. I'm going to show you something. Just keep scrolling. Something that got me more interested the more. Now, after this and this and this, now ChatGPT asked me if I want a slogan. Yeah, and I replied yes. Now, and here are the options that was dropped. Here are the options that were dropped. Designing brands, defining identity, where creativity meets purpose, bold design, strong brands, creating visual identity that lasts, your brand beautifully designed. And I actually loved all of this. I actually loved all of these options. It's just so perfect for this particular brand. Now, 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 this is a question. Would you like a tagline that sounds more youthful, premium or minimalist? Now, and I now asked ChatGPT, how about a logo idea for this brand? Because this is a steal for you if you're a graphic designer and if you are also a logo designer. Now, why am I sharing this? ChatGPT is a very good tool for you to use. Now, I already know about many persons who have been feeling that AI is going to take over their skill. No, this is to tell you that AI will help you or your skill. It will help your skill to improve, to get more results. AI is going to do a very nice job for you. Now, let's continue. I'm going to show you something very interesting at the end of this video. How about a logo design for this brand? This is what I asked ChatGPT. Now, see what ChatGPT did that wowed me. Now, he said, here's the logo idea for Heritage GFS that reflects branding, modern and creative identity. Now, see what ChatGPT did. It gave me a concept for this logo, even if I haven't done any already. Look at. It gave me a typography for the logo. You see? Now, it also gave me a color palette. And you're asking, should AI? All right. So, color palette for the design and told me the style I'm going to use for this logo if I was to begin a logo design for this particular brand. Now, look at all ChatGPT was able to source out for me. Now, he asked me, Would you like me to sketch a sample or create a Canva version of this logo idea for you? Because I'm a graphic designer, I told ChatGPT, give me a sample. Just sketch a sample of how this logo is going to look like. Now, see the amazing thing ChatGPT did that made me to start creating this video. Can you see? Can you see? ChatGPT just gave me a logo design for this particular brand. Wow. 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 What do I have to tell you in this video? If you are a graphic designer, utilize AI tools for your service as a graphic designer. I know that AI tools are helpful for different niche, different profession, different skill experts. But as a graphic designer, I'm telling you this for free. Utilize AI tools for your service as a graphic designer. Imagine what I'm going to create out of this. Since that ChatGPT has been able to give me an information like this for a brand I am working on. Now, see in my other video, I'll share with you the progress on this particular project. See you, bye.